I've been to more workshops and read a bigger number of books about easy revenue than I can check. They make it sound so natural. At the point when you set out to create more for yourself, you may find that these classes and books have forgotten about some basic data. To start with, it's essential to recognize what easy revenue is and what it isn't. Easy revenue is salary that comes in whether you're working, dozing, or playing. The American Internal Revenue Service characterizes it as salary from exchange or business exercises in which you don't really take an interest. A few models include rental salary from land, earnings from a business that doesn't require direct inclusion or investment from the proprietor, royalties from distributing a book or from permitting protected innovation, earnings from web notice on your sites, dividend and intrigue, interest on private home loans, income from candy machines that you claim, income from an online business that you have put on autopilot. At the point when I caught wind of this sort of pay just